Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new cue card that is describe an interesting conversation you had with your friend. So you have to describe any of the conversation that you had with your friend. So who you spoke with, you have to say the name of your friend or you have to say that from when you both were the friends, where you were. So you have to say about the place also, that where you met and had that long conversation, what the conversation was about. So you need to say the topic also, that the conversation was about which topic, about what. Explain why you think it was interesting, and you also need to say the reason behind this, that why it was so gripping, interesting, intriguing. So let's start with the cue card. The opening line that you can use is, deep conversation with the right people are priceless. Means if we are having the engaging conversations, deep conversations, long conversations with the right people, so these conversations will be priceless. अगर आप आपसे कोई conversation कर रहे हैं किसी सही और with the right person now, then that conversation can be like it will be priceless. बहुत वधिया हो सकता है, उसका result बहुत वधिया हो सकता है. One good conversation can shift the direction of change forever. Means when we are having when we are doing a good conversation, or when we are like giving advices or we are receiving advices while having a conversation with a person, so it can result the change in change forever. So it can bring a very good change or innovative change in your life when you are having good conversation with the person. Mindful topics are a wonderful way to foster meaningful conversations. Means if we are if we are having a conversation on the good topics, then that conversations can be very meaningful one. So topic of the conversation also matters a lot. So these opening lines you can use for starting this cue card. Any of this opening line you can use. Next is the vocabulary that we can use. First one is social butterfly. Social butterfly means gregarious or amiable. Being a social butterfly or being an amiable person or gregarious person, I really like to interact with others. I like to exchange the thoughts, or I like to share my opinions with others. So here I am going to talk about a conversation that I had for a long time, that I had with my intimate or bosom friend. Next word is indelible, remarkable or unforgettable. Indelible means that moment or that conversation, that advice, it left an indelible mark in my mind. Means that thing was something that will always etched in my memories, that will always remain, or I will remember that thing in my whole life. So this word you can use, indelible, remarkable or unforgettable. That conversation was really unforgettable for me. Get acquainted, being known to. Get acquainted means I got acquainted with him or her from my childhood or from the last 3 to 4 years. Means तुसी उसनु कदों जानन लगे, when you been known to. Casual informal conversation means you were just having a normal conversation. You can say that in the starting we both were having we started with the casual or informal conversation, or with the table talk, and after that we shifted to the very informative topics, and that topics we totally engaged in that conversation, and it lasts for a long time. Recite, narrate or unfold. Recite, narrate or unfold you can use I unfolded my each and everything to her or him. I recited, I narrated means I told each and everything about what is happening in my life or what happened in the past or in the last 2 to 3 years. Gripping or engaging. Gripping or engaging means interesting. That conversation was really gripping or engaging. Nostalgic, recalling, reliving, recollecting past memories means we just recalling, reliving, or recollecting are nostalgic memories. Nostalgic means like when you are thinking fondly of your past events or past memories. So we were just reliving or recollecting our nostalgic memories of the childhood or of the past or of the last years that we both spent together. Next is offer valuable, practical, useful advice, counseling or guidance. She or he offered me or I offered him some valuable or practical or useful advices, counseling or guidance. So meanwhile the conversation you can use this thing. Pour the heart out. Pour the heart out means to speak very freely to someone. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਖੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, so you can use this phrase here that pour the heart out. I can pour the heart out to her because she always, I can confide in her, means I can reveal my every truth to her because she or he is a trustworthy person. She don't reveal any secret of mine to anyone else. Means वो मेरे कोई भी secrets को reveal नहीं करता. She or he is a trustworthy person. उस पे मैं विश्वास कर सकती हूँ. So that's why I can pour my heart to her, or I poured out my heart to her or him. So these lines you can use like this. Next is keep someone in the loop. Keep someone in the loop means keep someone informed about something. ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਾਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ, so we can use that keep someone in the loop. We both try to keep each other in the loop about everything significant happening around us. Okay, ਅਸੀਂ कोई भी चीज़ कुछ भी significant सारे around happen हो रहा है in our life, we try to keep each other in the loop. Means ਅਸੀਂ try करते हैं कि ਅਸੀਂ दोनों एक दूसरे ਨੂੰ पूरी गलबात दसीए. So all these vocabulary words you can use in order to prepare this cue card, that is describe an interesting conversation that you had with your friend. Okay, thank you.